Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining me. Today I would like to share with you some facts about Humboldt penguins. First of all, Humboldt penguins are only one of 17 different species of penguins that can be found worldwide. They get their name from the Humboldt Current, which runs up from Antarctica all the way along the coast of South America. These penguins can actually be found in Chile and Peru. So these are warmer climates, unlike what most people think of when they think of penguins as being in colder climates. Now, penguins are actually only found south of the equator. So they can be found commonly in South America, South Africa, New Zealand, but there are two species that do live in these colder climates in the Antarctic. Although penguins cannot fly, they do have special adaptations for swimming. Their flippers are shaped paddle-like in order for them to swim faster swim speeds. Penguins can swim up to 9 miles per hour. While this isn't as fast as dolphins and sharks, it's still pretty fast for penguins that are the size that they are. Penguins can also dive up to great depths. The greatest recorded depth is 1,752 feet deep. Now, diving is only one type of swimming technique that penguins can use. Another method is also staying at the surface, paddling with their webbed flippers, similar to what ducks do. Another type of swimming technique is called porpoising. Similar to how dolphins jump out of the water, penguins can also do this to catch a quick breath and then keep swimming. Other adaptations penguins have for living and survival is called counter shading. This is where their back is black and their belly is white. This helps them if they are swimming in the ocean and a predator is above them, looking down, their black back will help them to blend in with the bottom of the ocean. While if a predator is below them, looking up, their white belly will help them to blend in with the sky above them. Penguins also have 70 feathers per square inch, which is about the size of a quarter, to keep them warm in colder waters. This also gives them almost a wetsuit type of body to keep them mostly dry. Despite all those feathers, penguins do go through a yearly molt. This molting process occurs after the breeding period, where penguins have their chicks and feed them, and after this, once the penguins molt, they can't get back in the water to go and catch more food, and so they go without feeding for a while. After the molting period and shedding all of their feathers grow back, and they go back into an intense feeding period because they're very hungry. After the chicks have been raised for 3 to 4 weeks, they can go out on their own. Now, these Humboldt penguins can live a pretty long life of 20 to 30 years in the wild. However, not all can make it that long. Penguins do have many different types of predators, including sharks, killer whales, sea lions, seals, and others. Now, penguin chicks are also common to being eaten by different types of birds, snakes, and mongoose, especially Humboldt penguins in South America. A common misconception of a predator is the polar bear, which actually only resides in the northern hemisphere. Another large threat to penguins is humans. Humans are a threat to penguins and other wildlife, mostly because of habitat destruction, overfishing, and marine debris. A way we can reduce our impact on these great creatures is by following the 3 R's, which are to reuse, reduce, and recycle. Thank you.